Hello, dear students. In our previous lecture, we got to know about the format of diary writing. In this class, I am going to discuss with you a simple question which is based on diary entry. Okay, let's begin. You are Ayushi. Actually, in examination, you people are not allowed to write your name. So you have to assume yourself by the name which is given in the question. Okay. For example, here Ayush and Ayushi is given. Ayush will be written by the boys and Ayushi will be written by the girls. Alright. You went to Oli during winter and experienced the snowfall. Write a diary entry in about 150 words about your experience that enthralls you whenever you recollect your visit. Here your word limit will be 100, 150, minimum 100 and maximum 150. You do not have to cross the word limit. Okay. So as per the format, first of all we write the name of the place. Here the place name is Joshimath. Then day is Thursday and date May 14, 2020 and the timing is 12 p.m. As per the format, we write the timing on the right side of the page. Okay. Then the salutation, that is Dear Dreamy. Here we can write Dear Diary, but if you wish to give your diary a name, you can write the name of the diary. Okay. Then we start writing the body of the diary. I can't forget how a great joy came before me when I saw the first ever snowfall. I, with my friends, went to Oli. Luckily, when we were strolling leisurely on the slope and viewing the view of the mountains and greenery, the snow began to fall. Soon everything looked covered in a white sheet. We went into a playing mood, make snowball and threw at one another. The scenario was simple, lovely. It remains embedded in my consciousness. Whenever I recollect the scene and the time that we spent in that most joyful scene, my heart starts dancing with a great pleasure. I feel like William Wordsworth when he recollected the dancing scene of the daffodils later and derived immense pleasure. You know, children, William Wordsworth was an English poet, and here he also recollects in his poem Daffodils his joy and happiness, whatever he observed when he saw the daffodils. Okay, truly, the visit is my greatest treasure of joy and bliss. Good day. Ayush, Ayushi. Good day, we are writing good day because we are writing this diary during the daytime. Okay. And the name will be girls write. Girls will write Ayushi and boys will write Ayush. Thank you.